The kettlebell swing is one of the most beneficial exercises that you can do to increase your power and strength when done correctly. Let me explain. When doing the kettlebell swing without proper form will only lead to injuries and no benefits. The problem is most people will either go too light or too heavy. When you go too light, you will not drive the hips enough, resulting in you using your arms more, looking like this.
Up, reach and up. Reach and lock those hips,
resulting in bad posture that will get you injured. Start with the kettlebell swings. Grab a light to medium weight so that you can feel the movement and what the kettlebell is doing. Step 1. Place the kettlebell 1 to 2 feet ahead of you. Step 2. Lower down to the kettlebell. Step 3. Brace your shoulders and lats, pulling them back and then down. Step 4. Swing or pull back on the kettlebell. Forearms need to make contact with the thighs. Keep your back nice and flat, head in a neutral position, eyes on the horizon. Step 5. Stand up tall quickly and squeeze your glutes, keeping your arms relaxed. It's not a back extension, it is a hip drive. Step 6. Let the kettlebell travel up to chest height. Don't muscle it up. The kettlebell needs to float up. When done correctly with enough drive, you will feel the weight floating and will be able to relax your grip just a little, which will help you save energy and not fatigue in your forearms and hands. If you go too light, you won't feel the movement and where the kettlebell is going. Going too heavy, and you won't focus on the movement because you are thinking about your grip and the fear of the kettlebell flying away. Now remember, the kettlebell shouldn't fly away, but upwards. You know you are doing it right when it flies a little bit more upwards than outwards. Doing the swing correctly will help you get stronger faster, developing power, which will help you with your squats, deadlifts and Olympic lifts. And for the ladies, developing that booty. Give it a try, practice in front of a mirror and record yourself so that you can see where your form breaks down and what you need to change to fix it. Stay safe.